This is a review of the Cutluxe kitchen knife set of 3 that I'm going to be doing an unboxing on. And in this unboxing, we're going to open this package, show you guys what you get inside this package, and from there, whether or not if these are high quality knives. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Now, before I unbox this, it tells you right over here. So we get 3 sets of knives. We get an 8-inch one, we get a 7-inch one, then we get a 5.5 utility knife, so a little smaller knife. But yeah, that's 3 sets of knives. Now, pretty much I just wanted to go explain that in the video. We're going to unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. So just by the start, before I unbox this, you can tell these are actually very high quality knives. You can see that it's also a magnet. What I love about this package itself, just the package, is that this is a magnetic piece. So it looks really nice and high quality, and it has like a magnetic thing underneath there. And it looks the package itself looks extremely beautiful. But yeah, let's pretty much unbox this and show you guys the knives themselves. And you can see here it tells you the company name, their social medias and all that stuff. It tells all the information right there. But pretty much let's get on to the main topic, which is these knives. So let's pretty much unbox this and show you guys. And right from here, the quality is really amazing. You can see it has 3 sets of them. It's stainless steel quality. It looks really amazing. You can see the logo is also like attached and embroidered onto the knives themselves. And from here, you can see the instruction manual guides. You get that itself here too, and the instructions right here. And also a huge plus right there, you get a cloth. So pretty much if your knives get dirty, you can use this to clean it up, and it looks really amazing as well too. The microfiber cloth that it comes with, supplied with. And the knives themselves right over here are really amazing. So you can see we have 3 of them. They're pretty much, these 2 are extremely heavy duty. One is an 8-inch one, and then right here this is the smallest one, the 5-inch one, and then the other one's right over here, the medium sized one. And now what I'm gonna do now is take the plastics off and show you guys pretty much how they exactly look like. So we have all the 3 knives set up apart, and you can see here, right here, you can see the stainless steel quality. They look really amazing. Let me start off by saying for this one, the largest size one, you can see here it says the brand logo, and you can see here this is like the heavy duty one. So if you have to like cut chicken or anything like steak or chicken or anything heavy, this is the heavier side one. Then the smaller side one, if you're trying to cut little like leg pieces, then you could use the small one as supplied. It comes here too. And the medium sized one could be used for the medium sized chicken or anything like a beef or anything like a goat, or you're trying to cut, you could use the medium sized one as here too. But overall, the main thing is that if these kitchen knives are high quality, the answer to that question is yes, they are extremely high quality. They look really amazing. And if it's also not just that, but it's what I expected is that they're also lightweight too, so it's not too heavy either. Even though this one is probably by far the largest one, it's not too heavy at all. And overall, the quality itself is really amazing. Stainless steel quality. It's really, you can tell that this product itself is going to, pretty much cut chicken very well, and cut anything that you're trying to cut. For heavy duty wise, it's going to cut, when you're trying to cut pretty much a cooked food in the kitchen, it's going to do the job very well. And that's what you're looking for. Something that pretty much cuts like food or chicken or anything like you're trying to cut, something that cuts very fast. And this product itself, you could tell from here, it looks really amazing. I would definitely recommend the Cutluxe 3 sets of knives. If you're looking for a new set of knives for your kitchen, then these 3 sets of kitchen knives from Cutluxe are probably one of the best kitchen knives that you could get for your kitchen.